Nobody reads 200 resumes properly. Here's how to score them against what the role actually needs. It starts with the description and the 3 questions underneath it. Truffle reads both to work out what a strong background looks like, the one worth thinking about. Who would struggle here, even if their resume looks great? Switch on Resume and say where resumes come from. Choose the public apply link, and that's the whole setup. Resume screening on its own with a page you can share. Then Truffle drafts the criteria it scores against, straight from the description. Read them like a hiring manager would. Regenerate them. Add your own, or mark the ones a candidate genuinely can't be without. Activate, and every resume that arrives comes back scored against those criteria, with the reasoning next to the score. You still decide. Truffle just makes sure you're deciding on evidence instead of a hunch. Stop skimming, start comparing. Start free at hiretruffle.com.